May mga grupo ngayon na tutulong ngayon dito sa Manila Bay. Actually, ito po yung kanilang dala-dala na mga machine idodonate po dito yan sa Dolomite Beach para sa pag-shred ng mga kahoy. Mula po sa JCI Manila ang mga grupo na ito na nag-donate nito mga makina na ito. At pagkatapos naman po mapira-piraso yung mga kahoy na makukuha dito sa Manila Bay ay ibibigay naman po iyon sa Nexus Group. Sila naman po yung gagawa niyan para mapakinabangan yung mga pinira-pirasong mga kahoy para yung tinatawag nilang mga sustainable materials. Mga ginagamit yan sa pagbibuild ng mga bahay, mga construction works. So walang tapon yung mga basurang napapadpad dito at mapapakinabangan pa. And at the same time nalilesen daw po yung pagdadala ng mga basura doon po sa mga landfills. Kasi from landfills po ay ang ginagawa lang naman po ng landfills bali binabaon lang din naman nila yan sa mga lupa yung mga na kokolekt nilang mga basura. So magiging mabuhay din ng yung mga lupa once na ito ay gawing eco-construct. Nandito yung demonstration po ngayon ng paggamit nito mga makina na ito na dinonate from JCI Manila. At maya-maya po masasaksihan po natin yung MOA signing from DENR, JCI Manila at Nexus Group. Sa ngayon andyan na po yung mga taga PTB4. Nag-i-interview sila ngayon dyan. Shout out sa mga foreigner na namasyal ngayon dito sa Dolomite Beach. Sila ay taga Bhutan Country, napapagitnaan ng China at India.
Shout out to our king and queen
Hi.
and the Bhutanese back at home.
Yes.
And if you have money, please come visit Philippines.
Yeah.
It's
Thank
such a
you.
beautiful place. And shout out to your followers.
Thank you.
Please to like and subscribe. What's your channel name?
Kuya Ron TV.
Huh?
Kuya Ron TV Manila Bay.
Follow me later on.
Yeah,
Okay.
we will subscribe you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice time.
Bye.
Bye. Ayan, magandang hapon mga kababayan. Andito na po tayo ngayon sa loob nitong Dolomite Beach. At mukhang bagong kayod itong buhangin Malambot ngayon buhaghag. Ay, ito po yung ating mga kababayang namamasyal ngayon. At maglakad-lakad tayo dito. Punta tayo dun sa may Mandamos Agency's Office. Pero bago tayo pumunta dyan ay tingin muna tayo dito sa may tabing dagat. Dito ang ating mga kababayan Alright. Napakainit pa mga kababayan. At ito po, nag-enjoy naman itong ating mga kababayan dito ngayon sa Dolomite Beach. Tingnan natin yung kulay ng dagat. Ay malabo dito Pero kahit papaano nabawas-bawasan na rin po yung mga basura.
Chairman for this project named Sunset Coastline. So first of all, we want to thank everyone na kahit mainit, umattend tayo in support and to celebrate this turnover project with us. So firstly, we would like to acknowledge the DENR Executive Director Jacob Maimban Jr., Deputy Executive Director Raymond Virginio, and Engineer Arvin Francisco. And from GA Nexus, we would like to acknowledge Partnering Group Manager Sir Rex B. Concepcion, and Business Development Manager Engineer Jason Pierre Loroscain. And to acknowledge the JCM members who have attended as well this turnover, we would like to acknowledge past President, JCM Manila past President Richard Tamayo, Secretary General Mick Uy, VP for Community Development Joseph Gonzalez, Director of Special Projects Dizon Kwok, Director for Business and Local Organization Management Matt Flores, Commissioner Lester Estrella, Senator Mike Bulaong, and Chairman Anton Tamayo. So to give everyone a bit of an overview or just sa project na to, before around March we spoke with Manila Bay Coordinating Office and they shared to us their struggles when it comes to maintaining the Manila Bay as a whole. Hindi lang itong Dolomite but also the whole of Manila Bay. So they have recorded thousands and thousands of sacks during the habagat season. Pagka yung mga basura nag-wash ashore dito sa Dolomite. And then, yung struggles nila in the process kasi malalaki yung mga kawayan minsan na nagagaling pa sa mga probinsya ng Cavite and Bataan. Mga kawayan malalaki, mga troso, mga driftwood. So they have a problem pagka inaano na nila, dinidispose na nila yon. So we were able to help them thanks to our sponsors to provide equipment necessary in their maintenance for the Manila Bay. But just like JCI Manila's 2024 slogan, we wanted to elevate things up. So that's why we look forward in trying to forge a partnership between GA Nexus and the Manila Bay Coordinating Office and the DANR na kung saan yung waste na maaari makolekta sa Manila Bay and lahat na nasasakupan nito ay mai-recycle at mai-repurpose. So isa sa mga pinakamalalaking desired outcome is to use is to lessen the use of landfills. Kasi landfills, pagka napuluyan, everybody knows na tatabunan lang ulit yan, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be a land that can be used for other purposes. So hindi na maganda yung foundation ng land na yun kung gusto mo magtayo ng building and so on. So nagiging big waste siya for such a big land. So we wanted to lessen the use of landfills. We wanted to, in the future, eradicate the use of landfills. And of course, by this way, we are promoting a circular economy, not by being environmentally friendly, centric, and also contributing to the circular economy that could benefit not just Manila but the Philippines as a whole. So yun yung overview sa project, sa ginagawa namin project ngayon sa Sunset Coastline. And thank you. We would like, of course, to hear from our partner sponsor, from GA Nexus, Mr. Rex Concepcion.
Okay, isang magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. On behalf of the Nexus Group, would like to thank yung ating partner, especially the JCI Manila, and of course, the DNR for this initiative. Have we ever wondered kung saan napupunta yung mga solid waste na kukolekt natin at nagbumula rito sa Manila Bay before, again sa landfill? But starting today, through this initiative, hindi nag-e-end sa shredder yung ating solid waste. It will be diverted away from landfills at gagawin natin isang valuable, sustainable materials such as building materials. And those building materials na nito as sample ay isang tangible commitment at initiative na nagbibigay paalala sa atin para maging aware tayo sa ating mga basura o sa kapaligiran. At commitment ng partnership at ng grupo na nakiisa sa initiative na ito ng Manila Bay ay gagamit ay sa sustainable materials. At makikita ninyo kung paano gaganda ang Manila Bay using the sustainable materials diverted by the Nexus Group. As leader is in the circular economy industry and pioneer in this industry, we are very honored to be partner in this initiative. Again, sa Nexus Group, we are very grateful and thankful for this initiative. Kaya isang maganda, isang salamat sa magandang initiative at pasasalamat na binibigay namin at isang magandang proyekto at malinis na Manila Bay sa inyo lahat. Yun lang po.
Well, we're here now to actually witness the memorandum of agreement signing between JCI Manila, the DANR, Manila Bay Coordinating Office, and GA Nexus. Yung ide-demo nila ngayon, yung wood chipper.